everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So आयचो vlog एक special request हाल्लो माझे एक subscriber कडसान to share Goan egg chop recipe. So आयच्या व्हिडिओन आम्ही egg chop recipe पोया. Very simple, very easy to prepare आणि टेस्टाक डेफिनेटली बेस्ट लागता. सो egg chop recipe ट्राय करा आणि म्हाका कमेंट्सान सांगा तुम्ही ट्राय केले जाल्यार कहो आल्लो तुमचो आउटकम, तुमकां लायक जाली रेसिपी, लायक जावंक ना, कितें चेंजीस करूंक जाता डेफिनेटली म्हाका सजेशनां दिया. And I beef croquettes, prawn rissoles and even tuna toast recipe share kela. So these are the top Goan snacks. So I will put the link on the screen or in the description box. So ती recipe तुम्ही also try करा. तुमचो इष्ट मेनू तुम्ही रेडी करूंक ना जाल्यार रेसिपी पोवन लिस्ट रेडी करून तुमचो इष्ट मेन्यू तुम्ही सेट करूंक जाता. So definitely watch my videos, watch it till the end, and if you like, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share my recipes with your family and friends and also comment down because I सगळे comments वाचता, सगळे तुमचे रिक्वेस्ट हांव एक्सेप्ट करून तेंचेर हांव रेसिपीज तेंचेर हांव व्हिडिओज करता. सो तुमकां सजेशन आहा जाल्यार सजेशनां तुमी म्हाका दिया इन द कमेंट्स. तुमकां कशी लागली रेसिपी तेजेर तुमी कमेंट करून सांगा. तुमी ट्राय केला जाल्यारूय तुमी फीडबॅक दिया. सो प्लीज कमेंट because I love to read all of your comments. And it makes me happy कि you all are watching my videos, you are liking it, you are connecting with me. So please do comment on my channel and let me know your opinions, right? So enjoy and watch the entire video. Step 1 is to hard boil the eggs and then cut them into 4 equal parts. So here I have boiled roughly about 5 to 6 eggs and cut each of them in 4 parts. So that gave me a total of 24 chops. Then step 2 is to prepare the potato mash. So here I have boiled around 3 to 4 large size potatoes, peeled them and then mashed them completely to get a creamy texture. If you want, you can also grate the potatoes, but mashing it is better because it gives a nice creamy texture to the chops. Then you season it with flavors. So you add salt as per your taste and 1 tablespoon of crushed red chilies. This will enhance the flavor and give it a nice spicy kick. Half tablespoon of cumin powder and a good handful of chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well together, check for salt again and adjust the salt if necessary. Once your mash is ready, it's time to shape the chops. So grease your hands with some oil. If you skip this step, then the mashed potato is going to stick to your hands and you will not get the perfectly shaped chops. Scoop out a good size of the potato mash, roll it into a ball and then flatten it at the palm of your hands to get a nice base. A quick tip here, if you want your chops to be nice and spicy, at this point you can add green chutney to the base of the potato and then place your egg over it. But I'm skipping the step because I have flavored the potato mash well, so I don't need to add additional chutney or sauces at this point. But instead, I'm directly gonna place 1 piece of the egg onto the mashed potato and then roll it nicely, making sure that there are no cracks and we have an evenly sized chop ready. I personally like chops, and to be specific, beef chops are my favorite, all-time favorite. So if you want the recipe to beef chops as well, then please do comment down and I will definitely shoot and share this recipe with you. If I get multiple comments for beef chop recipe, then I'm definitely going to share it as soon as possible. So please do let me know if you need the recipe of egg chops. So now that our chops are ready, it's time to coat them and then fry. So for coating, we will need one whole egg. Beat it really well with a little pinch of salt. And on the other side, we need equal amounts of rice flour and semolina. Now the rice flour is going to give the chops an extra crunch, so definitely try using a rice flour for this. You can also use all-purpose flour, but rice flour is definitely going to make it more crunchier and more tastier. So now I'll first coat the chop in the flour and semolina mixture, then dip it into the egg mix and then coat it back again with the flour and semolina. So this is called double coating, and this is going to make sure that your chop remains intact and it does not split open when frying. Our chops are well coated and ready for frying. There are two ways how you can fry the chops. You can either shallow fry as I'm doing it here, or deep fry it. I would recommend deep frying because it gives you a nice crunchy coating on the outside. Shallow frying is also acceptable. It's just that it's going to take extra effort and time. And with that, our tasty, super moist egg chops are ready to be served. Do try this recipe out and trust me, you are gonna be in love with egg chops. If you haven't yet subscribed, then please do hit the subscribe button, share this recipe with your family and friends, and don't forget to let me know if you try it out, how it turns out. Take care and stay safe, and see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.